SmartRope is an LED-embedded jump rope that works with your smartphone, creating an anytime, anywhere fitness experience. We've created a true active fitness wearable that brings the best in new tech to a tried-and-true workout, consistently recommended by the health and wellness community. We've embedded 23 high-quality LEDs into proprietary, patent-pending FPCB design. These LEDs can display up to 4 digits with clear visibility, even in bright rooms. SmartRope displays jump data right before your eyes, creating a truly immersive workout experience that's fun, and just as important, provides information you'll actually use to get healthier. The Bluetooth 4.0 transmitter is also housed here, used to communicate with your smartphone. The rope is positioned at a 45-degree angle to the handle to encourage effortless, natural motion. Ball bearings are used to ensure fast, smooth revolutions. Our Smart Gym app works seamlessly with SmartRope with two-way communication. We've produced a working prototype that handles beautifully. Your funds will go directly to the final development of the SmartRope and Smart Gym app and the initial production run. SmartRope is designed by Tangram, an award-winning multidisciplinary design agency based in Seoul and New Jersey. Some of the world's leading brands use Tangram experiences in their most iconic products. We have a team of designers, engineers, and developers dedicated to SmartRope and to bringing you an incredible fitness experience.
There's something about working out and the way it makes you feel. Almost everyone, when asked, would like to have more fitness in their lives, but for most of us, it falls to the bottom of our priority list. So we developed the Body Boss 2.0. We wanted a product that would empower people to reach their goals, where you'd be able to exercise more often and consistently. We want a product that is compact, something that could do it all with no restrictions. This equipment is something that anyone could use, no matter their fitness level. A product that takes all these concepts from the gym and combines them into one solution, bringing the gym to you. The platform is strong. The posts are spaced evenly apart on both sides so you can simulate any exercise movement and quickly adjust difficulty. The base is made wide enough to stand comfortably during your workout, and we even added a layer of non-slip material to assure you stay in place. The bands were customized for this concept and can handle any height. There's even cloth in the bands to protect you. Simply clip in to get started. Shorten the bands or add bands to increase difficulty. Our most popular exercise is squatting with the bar. It's like a workout bar you would see at the gym, but more portable. It can unscrew and it features grip padding for comfort. The ends of the bar spin a full 360 degrees and are shaped to avoid the clips from sliding, providing you the most natural feel possible through all of your exercise motions. Adding or dropping bands easily provides many resistance levels. We added accessories to simulate even more solutions, such as handles that will add weight. Adding bands are like increasing your weight with a dumbbell. The wrist straps are double padded for comfort and sweat resistant to stay in place. We even added a door anchor and increased the workout. The Body Boss is lightweight, made of high-grade injection molding and capable of handling hundreds of pounds of force. The underside has non-slip feet for safe use on any surface. The adjustable posts make for easy storage. Starting from day one, you can choose your color: green,